Hi there, it's Aaron from Lazer, and today I'm going to be showing you the position light function on the standard RRR range, not to be confused with the RRR Elite range. When you unbox your light for the first time, you will see that the plug has got a sticker over the top of it, and that is asking you to make sure you familiarise yourself with the instructions before going ahead and installing. Here we have two wires which are for our position lights. It is now the customer's choice on what colour position lights they connect up. You can only connect up one at a time. The colours are white on the green wire and amber on the brown wire. And to connect these up, what we first need to do is to make sure that the lobe on the plastic housing is facing up and that the lobes on the metal pins are facing down. We then insert it into the spare part that we have here and push it in until we hear a click, and that indicates that it is located into place. Should you need to change over the colour of your position wire at all, or you want to remove them altogether, you can do by first of all removing the red buckle which is inside the plug. You can use either a pick like I have here or a paper clip, and that will just come out like so. And then once you have done that, you need to locate the plastic tab which is in between the metal pin that you've popped in and the plastic housing, and then what you need to do is put your, like I say, you can either use a pick, or for this it's probably best to use a precision screwdriver set. Once you've popped it into place, you can then remove the pin, and then you're free to either disconnect or, like I say, swap over the colour. So I'm now going to pop in the amber. Listen that again for the click. There we go, we've now selected amber as our position light colour. Once you're happy with your position light colour and you've made your choice, you can then pop in the red buckle. The red buckle will only go in one way on the plug, and you simply just push that all the way back down, and that is now into place. You're then left with one pin on its own, or if you haven't connected your position light wires, then you've got two pins here, and what you can do is just tuck these in line with the loom, like so, and just push the rubber boot over the top of them. This will create a nice seal and make sure they don't get corroded. Once you've done that, you can pop that over the top of the housing, like so, and that's your position light all connected up and ready to go. Thank you very much for watching.